Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll tell you how to take a screenshot in a Telegram private channel. So, as Telegram is right now not available in my region as the website is not accessible, so I'll just tell you step by step and just listen to me what my instructions are saying. So, try the regular screenshot shortcut that is on your iPhone. Press your power volume up button on Face ID models, and on the older models, try your power plus home ID. On Android, press power and volume down simultaneously. If this doesn't work, the channel has screenshot protection enabled. Now, the second method is use a screen recorder on Android and iPhone, which is built-in screen recorder from Quick Settings or Control Center. Record the screen while viewing the private channel and pause the video and take a screenshot from the recorded footage. Now, method 3, which is use Telegram web on a PC. Open Telegram web on a browser. Navigate to the private channel, use print screen or snipping tool to take a screenshot. Method 4 and the last method will use a third-party app which is only available for Android. Some screen capture apps like Screen Master may bypass the restrictions. However, rooting your device might be required, which is not recommended. So, respect privacy. Many private channels restrict screenshots for security and copyright reasons. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.